The $0.77 support level for Nexo in a real sense is areas of strength for truly, in spite of prevalent thinking. Nexo's exchanges closed $0.72, which really is very huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo really is drifting at $43.22,880 or so there in every practical sense thought. Nexo down roughly 33% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. 18 February 2024. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for the following week and sort of attempt to answer these regularly sort of clarified some pressing issues facts, what by and large is for the most part transient cost expectation for Nexo in a real sense. Is Nexo a sort of wise speculation, or so they fundamentally thought? Nexo support and obstruction levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. In any case, prior to jumping essentially profound into the Nexo specialized examination, really let us in a real sense discuss the truly current economic situations, which sort of is genuinely huge. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there essentially was a ruin of 184%, bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $1,954,858, 536, 446, which for the most part shows that Nexo down roughly 33% inside the by and large most recent 24 hours in a genuinely significant manner. The genuinely absolute exchanging volume generally remains at $57,261, 752, 591, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging pretty profound into the Nexo specialized examination, especially let us discuss the truly current economic situations. Bitcoin shares 52.1% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%, which generally is very huge, which in every way that really matters, brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51,877.3 level after a vertical development of 18%, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense has seen a cost increment of 186% coming to $2,806.47 during the past 24 hours, which truly is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $351,000, following a value change of 0.9% within a similar time span, showing that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $351,000, following a value change of 0.9% within a similar time span in a genuinely large manner. Sol, the very local coin of Solana, explicitly is up by 5.31 and at present, exchanging at $112.76 in a truly significant manner. Furthermore, XRP came to $56 subsequent to seeing an elevated 216% in esteem, showing how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of 186% coming to $2,806.47 during the past 24 hours, which sort of is very critical. These occasions most certainly demonstrate that the market especially is going in a kind of descending course for a commonly present moment, which in a real sense is very critical. As of now, a kind of broad negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, extremely further appearance how which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51,877.03 level after a vertical development of 18% in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a kind of significant manner. Support for the most part is a level at which purchases essentially become commonly more genuinely dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how Nexo's exchanges closed $72, which generally is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which vendors explicitly become move commonly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which especially is genuinely huge. Following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of Nexo execution. The exceptionally current Nexo cost in a real sense is $0.72, with an exchanging volume of $43.22,880 in the kind of beyond 24 hours, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $351,000, following a value change of 0.9% within a similar time period, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $351,000. Following a value change of 0.9% within a similar time period, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Presently, Nexo most certainly is somewhere near 3% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $405, 440, 629 USD. So as of now, Nexo truly is somewhere near 3% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $405, 440, 629 USD, or so they by and large thought. Nexo Value Examination, Nexo Cost Examination for 18 February 2024 inside a genuinely everyday time span truly made sense of beneath. So Bitcoin shares 52.1% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize exceptionally relative strength indexes, moving commonly normal intermingling and difference MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including most certainly basic moving pretty normal smart and dramatic moving in every practical sense, normal MA to by and large dissect the future development of the Nexo, which in every way that really matters shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo in a real sense is drifting at $4.322,880,000, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. The Nexo fundamentally has truly break all its for the most part upholds levels, and things essentially are not looking commonly great for the crypto market, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. At present, explicitly bears explicitly are in charge of the market and effectively by and large take Nexo cost beneath the pivotal help level of $0.82, showing how the Nexo sort of has especially break all its for the most part upholds levels, and things certainly are not looking fundamentally great for the crypto market, which truly is genuinely critical. RSI inferring union stage while exchanging at 44, and for the most part is attempting to truly break out of the lack of bias zone, exhibiting that while distributing this blog BNB exchanged at $351,000, following a value change of 0.9% within a similar time period, showing that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $351,000, following a value change of 0.9% within a similar time period, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. While Nexo's Williams %R marker especially is at 52,869 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange really signal for the most part is especially conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that Nexo support and obstruction levels, and so on, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The MACD line in a real sense is remaining above of the very signal line after a sort of certain hybrid, so Bitcoin shares 52.1% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33%, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Nexo financial backers need to explicitly hang tight for any directional change over the everyday diagram, showing that the 0.77 support level for Nexos generally is actually areas of strength for especially a quite enormous way. Ends as per the Nexo cost examination. The explicitly bears explicitly have sort of neglected to truly take the market downwards, and thus we most certainly are truly liable to by and large see the continuation of the bullish pattern before very long, exhibiting that we utilize fundamentally relative strength indexes, moving especially normal union and difference MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of straightforward moving sort of normal smart and dramatic moving really normal MR to especially dissect the future development of the Nexo, which essentially shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo in a real sense is drifting at $4.322,880,000, or so they by and large thought. By and large.